Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to run your Java program from command prompt. Okay, so I'm writing one Java program in Notepad and I'm running that program from command prompt. Okay, and for that I'm going to create one folder inside JDK. So go to C drive, open the program files. Inside program files, you have to open the Java folder. There is JDK, and inside JDK you should open bin folder. Okay, and I'm creating new folder here. Okay, so whatever program I will create, I'm going to save in this folder. Okay, so now open your notepad. Always make sure that you are opening your notepad as an administrator. Click yes. Create one class, and now write your main method inside class. Okay, this syntax you might not know and you might not understand now, but I will explain you every meaning of everything. So I have written a program in Java. So this is the public is nothing but the access modifier, and this is a class. It is a non-access modifier. Void is nothing but the return type of this main method, and we are passing string array. Okay, so okay, inside this main method we have written this system.out.println. So you must okay, so println is nothing but the method, and out is the object, and system is a class. I will explain you what is meant by class, object, and method, and what is meant by public access modifier, what is meant by the return type, what is meant by the string arrays, everything, and what is meant by class mainly. So you have to make sure that you are saving your folder inside the folder we have made. So go to that location and open your okay, so you have to save your folder with same name as a program name. Okay, sorry, as a class name. Save your folder with the dot class extension and click on save and select all files. Okay, save. Now you can see that here we have save our program for Java. Now it is nothing but the source code. Okay. Now we are opening our command prompt and we are opening as a administrator. You can see we have to change this path. Now select this path and write this command cd, that is nothing but the change directory. Enter your path and click on enter. Paste your path and click on enter. Now you are in this path, and I'm writing new command here, that is a java c space, and name of my program was, okay, let me open this. Okay, a, so a dot java. Okay, so now we are compiling this program and we will check what changes you will see in this java program folder. Enter. Okay, we are successfully compiled this file. Now we can see here we have created one dot class file. So now it is converted into the bytecode. So initially it was in written, we have written code in Java, and after compiling it, we have converted one dot class file. This is nothing but the bytecode we have generated, and bytecode is generated by the JVM. Okay, it is inside the JDK. Okay, so when we were in when we have installed this JDK, that time JVM was also installed. All right, so now we are running this program or executing this. So with this command java space, as it is a compile now, so you do not need to write a dot java extension and enter. Okay, so you can see that hello everyone is we can able to see here. Okay, so you can see that it is getting printed here. So that's what we wanted to do that. That's it for today. We will meet you tomorrow, or I don't know when I will make this next lecture. So till then, bye-bye. Subscribe to my channel, like my video, share with your friends if they want to learn Java, and comment on my video if you like it or not, what you really want to learn in Java, and do you want me to teach you JVM and anything else, architecture of JDK or not. I'm thinking about creating new video about our JDK architecture, but I'm not sure how many people are interested. So you can let me know you are interested. If you're interested, I will definitely make this video on that. Thank you so much. Bye.